Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, device Wacom DTU-1031, and now I'm gonna show you how to stop these shortcuts on this device. To do it, you need to open the Wacom Center application on your Windows device. Then click here, Express Key Setting. And here we will see the Express key settings. So of course we have the display toggle, but we need to set up Express keys. So here you can set up the application where this Express key setup will work. For example, you can create a setup for Photoshop, for Illustrator, for InDesign, and pinned other shortcuts to the other buttons. And now, for example, I want to set up for all applications. And clicking on this button, I don't want to, I want to open the right menu, but maybe in the on the second button I don't want to use the shift. I wanna use I don't know what, so I'll just show you. I just wanna use right click. So now when I will click on the second button, it will means that I am clicking. So right, I need left click. So sorry. Oh, I can't use right click. Okay, I can't use left click. So okay, I'll try to click on it. And yes, as you can see, so I'm not using mouse right now. Yes, right click works. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.